Hey guys, what's good? It's Mike again. It's Mike from GM Tunes. So have you ever wanted to integrate Google in-app purchases in your game, Unity game? Like you want your player to be able to spend their real money to buy in-game currency or in-game items, so that you can continue enjoying the game. So in this tutorial, we'll be discussing how you can just fully integrate that without writing much code. That's why it is codeless in our purchases. Normally, if you want to integrate it back then before Unity and Google made everything easier, you have to write a very long script. But now, with the help of Unity codeless IAP, you can just do that in a few lines of code. So the first thing you need to do is open the service tab, general settings, and make sure that your project is linked to the Unity tab. If it is not linked, you will have seen an option for you to link it. So then the next thing is where you go to the Windows package manager, then search for then search for um, then search for Unity in-app purchasing. Then you can install that. So I'll just pause the video while that installs. So guys, that's finished installing. It just finished installing. So the next thing we do is press configure. So it should load this tab for us. Yes. So I want you to know this Google Play configuration. When your app launches, make sure you follow this step and copy your license key, paste it here. There's also an option for you to do that in your Unity dashboard, so that you can paste your license key. It's actually not compulsory, but I advise you do it. So the catalog editor, open catalog. I have it set up already. Then I'll just remove all of this product so that I can teach you how to delete. So yes, this is what should appear for you in your Unity in your editor. So the first thing you need to do is let me close these two other tabs. I can see the products I have here. I have the 50 coins, 200 coins, and 500 coins, and also the remove ad. So in IAP and in-app purchases, we basically have three product types. We have the consumable, non-consumable, and the subscription. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be talking about the consumable and non-consumable. So what are consumable products? These are products that your player can spend in the game, and their purchase can reoccur. For example, you have the coins. Your player can buy coins, spend them in the game, and your player can also buy coins all over again. So, but the reverse is the case for non-consumable. This is usually a one-time thing that the player just buys, probably. Yes, the player buys probably to enjoy a feature for a permanent time. So, for non-consumable, let's say your player buys pays to remove ad, the advertisement is removed totally from the application over a long period of time. Subscription, we won't be doing anything about subscription, but let's talk about it. So subscription is just for over a short period of time, so your player just pays to enjoy a service over a period of time. Let's say pays for 2 weeks subscription, such like that. So those are the three types of in-app purchases we have. Well, for consumable and non-consumable are the common ones here. But if you want me to make a tutorial on subscription, there's no problem. I can do that just for you. So now, when you press add product, you should get something like this. Here, they're talking about the product ID. So to get your product ID, you are naming it yourself. So the proper naming convention for this is like this. I have a simple representation here. So you write com dot your company name dot the name of the game or app, then the product name. For this one is com.gmtunes.iaptutorial.coin50. So you can be wondering, where will you get your company name and your app name? So you go back to your Unity dashboard, go to File, Build Settings, Player Settings, and you should get this here, gmtunes and product name. So let's just do that now. com.gmtunes.iaptutorial. So we are going for coin 50 first. So that's the product name. has 50 coins. So it's a consumable product because our player can buy and use that. So let's just title, let's just say you can say get 50 coins now. No, let's say 50 coins, get 50 coins now. This description, so you, this space is where you put like describing your product. We'll be focusing on just Google Play Store for now, so we won't be doing anything regarding the iOS, the Apple configuration. So when setting price, you can only set price in your region's price, like in your country's price. So it's impossible to set price in other country price because Google will handle that for you. So let's say you are somewhere like India, you set price, you want to sell a product in Indian price. Let's say you are in US, you set price based on US price. Let's say you want to sell in Nigeria, you set price based on Nigeria price. Let's say you want to sell in somewhere like Sweden, so based on your country price, that's what you are selling. So let's say you set like 50 coins, let's say 1000 for this. Then that's for the first product. Then we add another product. So it's just same pattern. So no, they cannot have the same ID. So I can just set this for 2000. So the 500 coins, I can just set that to be. I don't know, 3000. Then add the last product, which is the non-consumable. So it's still the same pattern. Remove ads, and let's just set the price. So like 1000. So let's set that to like remove ads. See, remove all ads in game. So that's it. So you can just put anything describing your product. 500 coins, get 500 coins now. So here is 200 coins, get 200 coins now. So I think yes, that is it for you guys. That's it. We are not done. So the next thing is, you can see I have a simple scene set up here, and I have my buy button. Here. So the next thing you do is select all the buy buttons you have in your scene. Select all of them. Then you're going to add components. You call it IAP button. I'll just click on this. You can see this legacy. That means it's the old one, but the old one is actually good, but it's duplicated. This one actually gives more. This actually gives more function, but we will not be using that. So we add the new one, IAP button. So you can see this one is still highly supported. So then we click on the first buy button here, which for our 50 coins. Then we say we assign the product ID GM to 50 coins. It's a purchase button. And consume purchase is on. And we assign the button here. Don't forget to do that. Then go to the second button, IAP coin 200. Then we see also drag and drop. So we repeat the same for the others. Yeah, so guys, that's it. That's just it. So we are almost done. We're on the way. So the next thing we do is what? Create C# script and call it IAP manager. So next you create like an empty game object, call it IAP manager. Okay, let's wait for that to manager. So drag and drop this. So double click to open this up in Visual Studio or whatever code editor you are using. So the first thing you need to do is make reference to using unity engine dot purchasing. So purchasing. So the next thing we need to do is make reference to all our, so say serialize field, say private, no private string called 50 coins ID. Oh, sorry, I forgot. How will I name a variable like this? Coin 50 ID. Note, a variable that never starts with a number. So you know that private string coin 200 ID. Serialize field private string coin 500 ID. So serialize field private string, we have the remove as ID. So let me just try to so guys, I found a better way to name them, so I think this looks a lot more better. So then we are going to be needing the start and update method for this purpose of this tutorial. We'll be needing them. So then the next thing we do is say we create two methods, public void on purchase complete. So this method will be checking if a player successfully made a purchase. So say product, we make reference to the product, we are buying product. So now this method will be responsible for checking if we've successfully purchased a product. Then we need to check what kind of product we bought. So we need to check with the if statement, we'll be able to know what kind of product. Say which product dot definition dot ID. Okay, we want to check if we bought the 50 coin product. So we see debug.log, no, just say print, common print you bought 50 coins. So guys, moving on, you will be thinking that I'm supposed to use else here, but no, I will not use else to check for other products. So this is the reason. Let's say your player, this is actually an assumption, but in program you just have to try to put everything in place so you won't mess stuff up. So let's take for instance your player is buying the 50 coins, and while he finished paying for the 50 coins, he has not yet gotten his 50 coins. Then he decides to buy another coin. While the 50 coin is still processing, that is yet to complete, and player is already making another purchase. So it is this simple method that will be checking for all other conditions, and it can only run one process at the same time. So the one process with else. So else will only check for 50 and ignore the others, which might return a loss for your player. It is possible, so you don't know what is not possible in programming. So that's why I suggest we don't use else in this case as well. So for this case, we just say you bought 200 coins, but you can, if you think I'm wrong, you can just go with else, and if everything works fine, you can let us know. Come on. I thought I just finished the email property. So just bought 500 coins. So same thing goes for because remove ads. So you just removed all that. So guys, moving on. Okay, you can see how I named my variables. So moving on, we have create another method called our public void and purchase field. So we want to check which product actually failed. Product, and we also have failure, purchase failure description. We say failure description. Now we'll be checking for us while there's a failed purchase. So we say debug.log product dot definition dot id plus failed because failed as a result of failure description. So guys, I think that's it. Yes, that's it. Yes. So then when we are done with the script, then we can just head back to Unity, save this and go back to Unity. So then we can just go back to select all your buy buttons. So you know all of them are selected. Just click on the simple lock here to lock all of them down. So you go back and select your IAP manager, press the plus button here to add an event. Click on the IAP manager and IAP manager, click on purchase complete. You find it up there. So good for the same place for the on purchase field. So you can IAP manager on purchase field. If you wish to add another function another event on product fetch, you can just do that same way for the on purchase complete. So moving on, let's test that. Let's test it out and see if it works. Let's see, buy, let's see, yes, and buy that. You can see it works properly. You can see my console here. See buy. So okay. Oh. Yes, possibly there's a wrong setup somewhere, so go back and check all your buy buttons. Something might be wrong. 50, okay. Oh yes, I knew something was wrong because it was not working. So yeah, we forgot to add our ID. So 50 coins ID. You go back to stop the game, Windows, no services, in now purchasing IAP catalog. Then we copy our ID, paste, go back again for your 200, paste. You can keep as many products as you want, just the same step, guys. So just make sure you decide if your product is a consumable or a non-consumable. So you go back, then let's retest. So I'll put in my console window somewhere here. So I'm click on buy. Say I bought 50 coins. So I bought 50 coins. Say buy 500 coins. Buy. Oh, another error. What's wrong? I'm sure I messed that up earlier. Yeah, I'm sure I've messed something up. Yes, I've messed this. When I selected all of them all together, I've messed that part up. So make sure you note that too and change it. So change all the buy. So change all the, so yes. So let's test again. So I'll just click on buy again. See, I bought 50 coins. I bought 500 coins. I bought 200 coins. You just remove all that. So now guys, it is working perfectly. But yeah, we are not done, and I think this video is getting so long again. So let's see. Okay, we bought this, we bought that. How do I link it to my script? Let me just create a simple script. I call it game manager. So click that to open it up in Visual Studio Code. So now the first thing we need to do is what, make reference to the player script. Let's see, we have a ID in inspector. We don't want you to inspector public float player coins. So we see ID inspector public pool. Come on, public pool has removed ADS. So now on the start we say player coins. We need to get player coins equals player first. Let's get int. Dot get float. So but guys, if you go back to my channel, there's a part that says, okay, let me show you the video. So on my channel I discussed something about the best way to save your player files in Unity. So it will be good if you just go back to check this video, because player pref just simply saves your I won't be explaining much on that, but player pref just simply saves your player file as text, so the player can go there anytime to edit them. So but with this advanced save system, it is impossible for the player to edit them. So we won't be using that system here because most of you might not know about it, but if you want to know about it, just go back and check. So get float player coins. So note that if it is or not is not saved already, it will return 0. But to get the boolean, so we need to check. So we create another one. We see we create another integer here. We see bool value first player press. So you are using player press, and player press does not save boolean dot get int bool value. So just see if, so we can use a case statement here, but let's use if which your what oh sorry guys, I forgot the video was paused. So this is where, so we just checked if we get the bool value, then it returns the value for us. So if bool value is equal to 1, that means the player has removed add. So else has removed add equals false. Then now I want to display the amount of coins my player. Sorry, I didn't remember I forgot the video was paused. So I'm back. So player coins display. So just to display the amount of coins players. So this is where we are displaying it for player coins. Dot to string. We'll convert to string format. So this is the part we are going. So create public void a reward get reward. So get int coins amount. So this is part we are going to rewarding our player whenever he player coins is whenever he buys something. So coins amount. So say you save it, player press dot save int, no, just set int, sorry, dot set int, set float, sorry, don't forget our coins is float, so save set float player coins as player coins, so then to be able to display our again, say player press dot save. So that's how we get our reward. We are not done. Then go back to IAP manager script and just say serialize field, private, no public, no private, sorry, private game manager, just call it game manager. So then here see game manager dot get reward, so put 50 here, so others put 200 here, put 500 here. So for here we see so I'm thinking of a very good approach to this. I just see group is ads, and here we say if not is ads, that means you are not interacting with remove ads. If not is ads, then do this, else if it is ads, then just the book value player press dot set int, so see player press dot set int book value as 1. And let me just say player press dot set int, yes, as 1. Does not really matter what I'll put here, so put here as false because it is not ads, so false. So here we just see game manager dot get reward that'll be 1, the number can be anything, true. So as you see, guys, so that's just it, that is it, guys, that is it. So I can just create another part. Okay, let's the part here also show okay, let me create another text that shows you serialize field private text. So that shows if our ads have been removed from the screen. Ads removed. So that will be yellow. Ads removed. It's text equals to ads removed. So don't forget to this script looks really messed up, sorry about that. So we need to check if to update our ad. So let's see here, yeah, so that's it. This one we call 1. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. Let's go back and test some stuff out. Don't mind my clumsy code. I just want this to be as simpler as it can be, so you guys can understand. Wait for that. So IP manager, I have my IP manager here. I can just drag and drop my game manager script here. So I'll just go here, select it. So this text is responsible for here it is. So that's for the coins. I'll just duplicate this for the remove answer. So this video has gotten so long. So let me just add. So now let me select my game manager script. So this for the ads, this for the coins. So now let's just test that out. Wow, it's telling me ads removed. Oh, wow, did I write something wrong? How is pool value 1? This is so impossible. Is something wrong? Oh, sorry, this part. I forgot I was calling it in that part. Sorry. So it should work properly. It should work properly now. I've taken so much time on this. I just want you guys to understand how it's actually work and how you can apply it. So you not just learn it, you should actually know how. So it's saying ads not removed. So when I just buy, so I get 50, I get 550, get 750. So ads removed. So guys, that's just it. That's just the simple approach. And when I stop my game and when I run it again, so as you can see, it is updating. So guys, that's just it. That's just a simple approach to it. So guys, lastly, the next thing you do is go to your Google Developer Console account whenever you upload your game. So you go there. So you go to your Google Developer Console account, then you select your app, then you go to in-app products, then you click on this. This is a very old app. So what I use for it, I'll just have to work on the app and update it. So I'm still doing some stuff on it. So you click on import, then go back to your Unity, then window, service, IP purchasing, IP catalog, then click on app export. So click on Google Play CSV. Oh, my bad. No worries. Make sure you change it elsewhere too. Make sure you change it here too. My bad. I didn't even notice. So app export, play CSV. So just save that, probably anywhere music. Just save it. So then go back to Chrome and click on. Just go to music. This is why I just save this. App export, Google Play CSV, save. What? Do I have an error? No. Oh, come on. App export, Google Play CSV, Let me just put this somewhere else. I don't know why this thing is not saving. Let me put my desktop. Come on. See, I know what. Why is this happening? Ah, this is not supposed to happen. So guys, there has been some sort of problem with my permission settings. I don't know why. So when you click on this app export, Google Play CSV, select a directory and I don't know, just save it there. And when your app launches, go back to Google Play Store, click on import, then import the file from wherever you saved it, and boom, you are good to go. Your app is ready to show in app purchases. So guys, that will be for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. See you guys. Have a nice day. Bye.